Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Designs. I have a Felicity Jane unboxing. This is the current kit. I also have one that I have received in the last month that I'm not going to really share with you guys yet because a lot of that is for our fall journaling camp. So, just really quickly, anybody who's interested in the fall Bible journaling gratitude and Thanksgiving kits, please email me at josephinesdesigns.com@gmail.com. It is listed below and in the About section up above. The kits are already going quickly, and I just want to be sure that I don't miss anybody. This kit is amazing. I just cannot tell you. We have had people that have graciously again donated to this particular fall kit, and I am super excited. And I've already got everything ready to go as soon as we get back from the baby shower next week. This week we focus on the baby shower and getting better, and because I have been a little bit under the weather. And then the following week I focus on some working on the different projects that I have to get done, the craft spot, which I have not been able to do any of it. I've been so sick. But and then also start working on our kits. Yay! I'm so excited. It's going to be amazing. So, in that particular kit, we will go from November 1 through Thanksgiving Day, and that will get us ready for Thanksgiving and a heart of gratitude and Thanksgiving. And then we'll go right into the 25 days of Christmas. We'll have a little bit of a break, a few days only. I think, can't remember what day Thanksgiving's on this year, but I know it's later this year. I think 26th, 27th, I can't remember. Anyway, so long story short, just let me know if you're interested in that kit. And then you'll get to see all the extra goodies I ordered from Felicity Jane for you guys. So, anyways, all right, here we go. Let's open up this kit because I have not peeked at all. I opened the seal, and I was a good girl. So, ooh, I love that. That says hello. Thanks for your order. There we go. All right. So, as you guys know, I save everything. I save the ribbon, I've saved the tissue. I use it all. So, and I don't think I got any extras with this particular kit. Alright, ooh, I love that. That is fun for tags. Be yourself, everyone else is already taken. You're loved. Embracing the journey, I love that. Notes to self, and then, I don't know what that says. Hold on. Oh, Shay. This particular kit, the girl's name is Shay. So it's Shay. There we go. Sorry. You would think I would be better than this. Okay, so here is all of the ephemera. So let's just get everything out, because I'm having too good of a time looking. So, and I do save the squigglies. I use those for gift wrap. We use the whole thing. And I saved these boxes. They are phenomenal for if you're doing large scrapbook layouts. They are perfect for it. Okay, make sure I didn't miss anything, and I did not. You can do like bulk, what do we used to call it, power layouts on your scrapbooking. So you put them, you lay down your pages, and then you work them, and you lay everything out, and then you adhere it, and then you put it in your album. I know. Anyways, those are the old days, but it still works very well. And these are really pretty boxes. Whoops, sorry, didn't mean to bump y'all. And they really look nice on the shelf. So, okay, now, let's start here. Okay, so first, look at this paper. Ooh, it's so pretty. And you really use these. I mean, this I cut apart and use everywhere. So super fun, especially in journaling. These are perfect size. And then the papers are two-sided, and you get, how many sheets? I can't remember. 2, 6, 12 by 12 double-sided pattern papers, and 2 12 by 12 sided coordinating solids. So, anyways, and so here are the solids down here. So you get one on one side, one on the other, one on one side, one on the other. And I love the edges on those. I love to cut those and use every bit of the edge. So, for time's sake, I'm not going to pull all that out because we can see it all right here. And we've already seen that beautiful stamp set. And then, ooh, look here. I will totally love these. Uh-oh, they are really closed. Oh, they're actually sealed. Huh. Okay. I'm sure they always are, and I just don't remember right now. Sorry, guys. I'm still a little foggy from not feeling well, so I apologize. But it's all good. It's all good. It's all good. Let me see here. Well, let me see if I can open it now. Nope, it's not going to let me. Well, what I was going to say is, I love the flowers. I was looking at some mixed media, and these will be perfect. Look at all that. Oh, look at the pink. All the colors of the kit. Super cute. Okay, love that. She never gets chinchy on that either. Look how many are in there. I mean, on my hand, that's a good size amount. Okay, so here are the art journaling cards. So, let me see here. Oh, that's cute. I love that. It says hello. And of course, the backs are either grid or dot. Okay, so there's that one. Another art journaling card. You can journal on that. You can journal right here. You've got this. Note to self, like the stamps. I love that. And there's the dot. Okay, I love that. That pink gingham is so stinking cute. I love all that too. Believe in yourself, so sweet. I love this. I don't know why these always just float my boat, but they do. I think they remind me of a composition notebook. And I love that too, the pink grid. Okay, so there's that. Here are the washi strips. So, and I love these. I use these a lot in art journaling. And they are perfect. They fit right down in my bag, and I love those. So, I'm going to put those together because those will go in one bag, and probably this will go with them. And I think what I'm going to do is I've started cutting paper to fit my Bible journaling and my journaling bag. So, anyways, okay, we still have this because I didn't get it off yet because I wasn't feeling well, but we'll get it off soon. I mean, if I wait long enough, it'll be time for Christmas again, right? I really love this buffalo check. It's one of my favorites. It doesn't even bother me that it's up year-round. Oh, these are so cute, these tags. Am I in frame? I think I am. Okay, sorry, my camera's a little bit high today. Lots of hearts. Oh, look at the tops for the page dividers. Love that. More flowers. Cute little journaling spots. Another one, darling. Okay, more flowers. More flowers. This one says, be kind to yourself. I agree. Another flower. Another divider. Here is a little square to go around that little square. There we go. Here is a little speech bubble, love, and a heart. So cute. And then here's a little like banner header. Super cute. Another remember when. And then one last divider. She really gives you a lot. And then, oh, I love this. I always love wordfetti. So happy, the, and, today, remember, love, us, hope, smile, together, that, and, moments. This is going with me on my trip. I love that. That is darling. Super stinking cute. And you know me, I'm going to cut this thing up and I'm going to use the bottom in my journal and I'm going to use that. I think I may just take this kit. This is so cute. And we're going to be driving, so all the arrow signs are perfect. Oh, that is stinking cute. And we're supposed to be going to see fall foliage, but I think we're going to be too early. And I love, these are chipboard, and they've got the letters and the numbers, and I love the, if you can see it, the shadowing. Super stinking cute. Okay, guys, if you do not get the Felicity Jane, kit, monthly kit, I would highly encourage you to. Gina is phenomenal. Her team is amazing. And I have never, ever one time not been happy with what I received. Never once. I have loved every single positive thing she's given me, and or that she's sent in them, or I've purchased in her on-sale shop, or whatever that she has, she does a phenomenal job, she and her team. So I've cut down my subscriptions. I have this one, and I think I have one other, and I've really cut everything down to the bare bones. And I thought about this one a whole lot, and I thought, no, I love every single thing about this. I stopped it at one time, and I restarted it because this is how much I love it. So, all right, my friends, I'm going to let you go. I'm going to start cutting these pages up to get ready. So here's what I do. I cut them the size of my my journal, and I'm already preparing sheets for my trip. So I'm just going to cut some of those up and add it in, and I will take those on my trip. Okay, friends, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. If I end up pre-doing like at least the backs of my journal page before we leave on our trip, I'll come back and share that with you. If I don't, I'll share it with you when we get home. And I'll just have to put sticky notes over the pictures because I promised my family privacy. But you will see a lot of this on that trip, I think. Okay, friends. Again, sorry, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share if this would encourage anybody else, and leave a comment. And if you also receive these Felicity Jane subscription kits, let me know, because I'd love to know how you're using yours. These are perfect for card making, just mixed media, journaling, in your Bible. These are fantastic for Bible journaling, scrapbooking. It's just endless. So, okay, friends, I will talk to you guys soon. I pray your day, again, I think I already said it, but I pray your day's blessed, creative, and lovely. I will talk to you soon. You guys take care. Bye-bye.